Hello, my friends, and welcome back to day 6. If you made it this far with me, I am so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself too, because that means that you are taking time out for yourself in this busy, busy season. So, today we'll focus on stretching and restoration. Our goal for today is restorative reset. So, everything today, we don't have many moves to do. We just want to really focus on stretching and bringing some restoration back into our bodies. So, with that being said, let's start our class today. We are going to start on our backs and we're going to focus on getting some stretch in our hamstrings. So, you can have your front leg bent or extended out long, whichever one works best for you. Lift that back leg up. Really try to reach for your ankle and bring your knee in as close as you can. Feeling that stretch all here. Stretching is so important. I feel like it's one of the most unused forms of exercising. Exercising doesn't have to always be lifting weights or a whole bunch of cardio. You can do just walking, whatever works for your body, but just make sure that you get that stretch in. Okay, let's switch sides. It's so important to make sure that we're stretching on a daily basis. If you can't do it every day, at least try to incorporate it after every workout or 2 to 3 times a week. Now you're going to take your front leg and let's go for our figure four stretch. If you remember what we did this figure four stretch a couple of days ago, and just bring that back leg in. Try to bring your heel, your elbow into your knee and really pull. Press that elbow into your knee. And let's switch sides. If you hear that, that's Lola Bear. She's always stuck with me. She's our baby. Pulling that left knee in. Come down, cross your leg over. Bring your arms to a nice goat pose position. Drop your knees over to the left as your gaze goes right. So you can feel a nice stretch, a nice twist in your spine. And come back up. I felt a nice crack switching sides. Literally every time I do this stretch, I feel a crack in my back. No tension in our bodies. We're being in this present moment here. Restoring our bodies, giving it what it needs. Come back to center. So now we're going to come up and stretch our hamstrings in another way. So coming up, we're going to go for a low lunge. So bringing your left leg out in front of you. You're going to press your hips. Take your hands down to your mat. Those back toes are untucked. Press back. You can stay high. Your left heel is into your mat. If you want an even deeper stretch, go ahead and fall forward. Come back up. Come back to your low lunge. And let's do that one more time. Press your hips back, trying to get your glute to your right foot. Keeping a focus on the hamstring that's being stretched. And come back up. So staying with this same leg, you're gonna start to just kind of slide that foot over, or however you can get into this pigeon position. So you want to try to keep that front knee. Let me see if I can show you what my leg is doing in the front. So you have it here. So you have that front leg bent here. Nice pigeon stretch. You can come down. Okay, let's go ahead and take it straight to the other side. I'm going to get back on my mat now that you know what my leg is doing. So bringing that front leg, your back leg in front of you. Going in for the low lunge to the hamstring stretch. Press back. Feel free to fall forward even more to feel more of a stretch in the hamstring. And come back up. Press your hips up. We're going to do that one more time before we get into our pigeon. Press your hips back. Focusing on your breath. Bringing awareness to what this feels like in your body. And come back. Now let's go straight for that pigeon. I'm just gonna slide my foot over. You get into the position however you get into the position the best way that you can. Wow. Words are everywhere. Keeping your neck nice and long. If you want an even deeper stretch, you can come down onto your forearms and really feel the stretch. Not only the hamstring, but as well as the outer glute. Restoring those muscles. And we're gonna come up. Press back for your downward facing dog. Press your heels down to your mat. This time, whenever you do your down dog, try to see if you can close the gap between your chest and your legs. Really pressing that mat away from you. Kind of like you want to slide the mat away from you, sliding it to the other side of the room. And come down. Bring your left leg around. We're gonna go for our world's greatest stretch. So you're gonna take your left hand, bring it behind you, almost like you're gonna do your thoracic rotation. You're gonna open up. Bring your elbow down, or try to see if you can get it as close to your mat as you can, or just place your hand. And let's do it again. Open out to the side. And try to see if you can get that elbow down to your mat. Let's do 2 more. And 1 more. Ooh, yes. I can definitely feel my hips are definitely being stretched here. All right, let's take it straight to the other side. Bringing your back leg around. Taking your back arm behind your head. Open out to the side. Bring your elbow. Try to bring your elbow to your mat. keeping that front arm straight. And open out to the side again. Bring your elbow to your mat or have it hovered, however far you can get it. And we'll do one more. Okay, bring that leg back. We have one more move before we get into some relaxation. So come all the way down on your belly. Take your left arm out in front on the side of you. You're going to take your back leg and just bring it around. Trying to get it together, y'all. You're going to feel some restoration in your shoulders, your spine. Or have your foot flat, whatever works best for you. Come back around. Let's do it on the other side. Bring that front leg back and around. This feels so nice. It really does. Giving our bodies exactly what it needs. And come back around. All right, so now let's lie on our back. You can feel free to grab a pillow, or if you want to roll a towel to have it underneath your neck. You can have your legs out long, extended out long, or you can have your knees bent. And you just want to place your hand on your heart and on your belly. Just do whatever feels natural to you. And we're just breathing here. How did the moves feel for your body today? Do you feel restored? Knowing that whenever we bring restoration back to our muscles, we're also reducing tension in our bodies and our lives. Especially during this holiday season, there's still so much to worry about. Relax through your shoulders. It's important that we always bring the focus back to ourselves, our health and our wellness. And this way we'll be able to pour into our families, our friends, our loved ones. In this moment here, just let go of anything that you find isn't serving you. Relax into your jaw, your neck, allowing your body to fall heavy into your mat. Just be in this moment, finding 3 things to be grateful for. And whenever you're ready, start to wiggle through your toes. And you can gradually start to sit up. Allow your hands to help you sit up if you need to. I am so very proud of you today. Well, I'm proud of you every day that you show for yourself, and be proud of you. And absolutely root for yourself if nobody else is rooting for you. I will see you. Today's day 6, so I will see you for day 7, where we focus on a full body, calm and centered flow. I'll see you tomorrow.